Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the drawing. Open the Layer Manager or Properties palette and locate the layers list. Once done, freeze or lock any layers you must preserve and apply filters to reduce noise. This helps prevent accidental deletions. Next, select the target layer or layers by name. You can pick objects directly and use Select by Layer to capture everything on that layer. Make sure to check for nested blocks or referenced files before moving on, because they often hide content you might miss. Now focus on removal. Erase any objects remaining on the target layer or move them to a safe archive layer if you need backup. If objects reside inside blocks, either explode them temporarily or use the block editor to remove layer assignments. Make sure to check XREF and external references since drawings often inherit layers. Once clear, run the ladle command, or ladle for command line control, to delete the layer and follow prompts to handle dependent objects and nested instances. Verify layer remove. Finish by running audit and purge to clean residual layer definitions and reclaim file size. This also prevents phantom layers from reappearing. Make sure to save a new version, and if something goes wrong, use undo immediately or restore from your backup copy. If a layer won't delete, check for orphaned XREF or attached external references. Reload, detach, or edit the XREF to remove the layer. One key troubleshooting tip: always inspect block definitions and nested references before repeating deletion steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.